Demo 7.6 Procurement Process with Warehouse Movements. In this demo, we will execute the procurement process with warehouse movements. Please refer to the demos in the Procurement Process chapter for an explanation of the process steps. Use the SAP Easy Access menu to navigate to the transaction. Alternatively, enter transaction ME21N in the command field to access the transaction directly. For this demo, we will use the SAP Easy Access menu. To begin, in the Purchase Order menu, expand the Create menu by clicking on the arrow next to the menu label. In the Create menu, select Transaction ME21N, Vendor and Supplying Plant Known. The system displays the Create Purchase Order screen. Enter the data needed to procure the desired materials as explained in the previous demo. In this demo, we will purchase 1,000 t-shirts from vendor Spy Gear. These materials will be sent to DC San Diego. After you have entered the proper data, click the Collapse Header icon and then click the Expand Item Detail icon. The Conditions tab of the Item Detail section displays the pricing conditions for this purchase. This is also where any discounts would be shown. Click the Save icon to create the purchase order. The system displays the purchase order number in the bottom left corner of the screen. Make note of this number, then click the back icon to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. We will now view the initial inventory level in our warehouse for both inventory management and warehouse management. In the Stock menu, select Transaction MB52, Warehouse Stock. Enter the proper material, plant, and storage location, and then click the Execute icon to view the stock balance. The system returns the amount of the selected material that is in stock, as well as the value of the inventory. Currently, there are 500 t-shirts in the San Diego plant. Click the back icon twice to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. We will now check the stock in the storage bins. In the Display menu, select Transaction LX03, Bin Status Report. Enter the warehouse number, storage type, and storage bin number in the Bin Status Report initial screen. Type *000 in the storage bin field. This will show all storage bins ending with 000 that have the selected storage type. After you have entered the appropriate data, click the Execute icon. The search returns a list of storage bins that fit the search criteria. The report indicates that material SHRT 1000 is stored in bin STBN 1000 and that the other bins are empty. Double-click on the storage bin number containing SHRT 1000 to view the bin details. The system displays the storage bin data. Note that there are 500 t-shirts in this bin. Click the back icon until the SAP Easy Access menu is reached. We will now enter the goods receipt for our purchase order. In the For Purchase Order menu, select Transaction MIGO PO Number Known. Enter the purchase order number in the Goods Receipt Purchase Order screen and click the Enter icon to populate the data. Verify that the amount and storage location are correct, and then click the Item OK box. Click the Save icon to post the goods receipt. The system displays the material document number in the bottom left corner of the screen. Make note of this number. Next, click the back icon to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. We will now check the inventory levels after the goods receipt. In the Stock menu, select Transaction MB52, Warehouse Stock. With the appropriate material, plant, and storage location data entered, click the Execute icon to view the stock level. The Display Warehouse stock screen shows that inventory has increased by 1,000 to 1,500 t-shirts. The value is also updated to show the value of the new inventory level. Click the back icon twice to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. Next, we will view the inventory in the storage bin. In the Display menu, select Transaction LX03, Bin Status Report. Enter the warehouse number, storage type, and storage bin data, and then click the Execute icon. The system returns a list of storage bins. Double-click the storage bin number that contains the t-shirts to view the bin data. Notice that this level has not yet changed. It is still 500. This is because the warehouse management process has not taken place. Click the back icon twice to return to the bin status initial screen. Enter the purchase order number in the storage bin field and remove the storage type selection. Then click the Execute icon. The system returns a storage bin that has the purchase order number. This is an interim storage area. Double-click the storage bin number to view the bin data. Here, we will see that there were 1,000 t-shirts received in the interim storage bin. Click the back icon until the SAP Easy Access menu is reached. We will now create a transfer order to move the goods from the interim storage bin into the correct bin. In the Create Transfer Order menu, select Transaction LB11 for material. The system displays the Display Transfer Requirement screen. Enter the warehouse number, material, and plant. Then click the Enter icon to continue. The system displays the Transfer Requirements for Material screen. This screen displays the transfer requirements that meet the search criteria. There is one transfer requirement displayed. Note that the Requirement Number field displays the purchase order number that is the source of this requirement. Click the Select box to the left of the Transfer Requirement Number. Then click the TO in Foreground button to convert the requirement into a Transfer Order TO. Enter the quantity, type, section, and destination bin in the line item. After you have entered the required data, click the Save icon. The system displays the transfer order number in the bottom left corner of the screen. Make a note of this number, then click the back icon to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. Now that the inventory transfer has been completed, we will check the inventory levels in our plant. In the Stock menu, select Transaction MB52, Warehouse Stock. The system displays the Display Warehouse Stock of Material screen. Enter the material plant and storage location, and then click the Execute icon to view the stock. The system returns a stock amount for the selected material. The inventory in the San Diego plant has not decreased from the previous step. This is due to the fact that we are now completing the warehouse management process, which will not affect the inventory management stock level. Click the back icon twice to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. We will now review the balance in our storage bin. In the Display menu, select Transaction LX03, Bin Status Report. The system displays the Bin Status Report initial screen. Enter the warehouse number, storage type, and *000 for our storage bin number. Then click the Execute icon. The system returns a list of the storage bins that end with 000. Double-click on the storage bin number that contains material SHRT 1000. The inventory of shirts has not increased. It is still 500. Click the back icon to return to the Bin Status Report Overview screen. At the Bin Status Overview screen, click the back icon to return to the Bin Status Report Initial screen. Enter the purchase order number in the storage bin field and remove the storage type selection. Next, click the Execute icon. The system displays in the Bin Status Report overview screen. Double-click on the storage bin number to view the details. There is still 1,000 shirts in our interim storage area. The total stock number in the inventory management side will be equal to the combined amounts in the storage bin and the interim area. To return to the SAP Easy Access menu, click the back icon until the menu is reached. Next, we will confirm the transfer order we created. In the single document menu, select Transaction LT12 in one step. The system displays the Confirm Transfer Order initial screen. Enter or search for the transfer order, TO, number, and warehouse number, and click the Enter icon. The system displays the Confirm Transfer Order overview screen. Enter the destination bin and actual quantity. Next, click the Save icon to confirm the transfer order. The system displays a message in the lower left corner of the screen confirming that the transfer order has been confirmed. Click the back icon to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. We will now review the stock levels after the stock transfer has been completed. In the Stock menu, select Transaction MB52 Warehouse Stock. The system displays the Display Warehouse Stocks of Materials screen. Enter the material plant and storage location data. Next, click the Execute icon to view the stock level. The system returns a stock for the total selected material. As before, the stock of T-shirts has not changed. Click the back icon twice to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. Next, we will view the storage bin stock amount. In the Display menu, select Transaction LX03 Bin Status Report. The system displays the Bin Status Report initial screen. Enter the proper data for the warehouse number, storage type, and storage bin fields. Click the Execute icon to view the bin data. The system will return a list of storage bins that end with 000. Double-click the storage bin number that contains the correct material. The inventory has now increased by 1,000. This increase reflects the fact that the warehouse management process has been completed. Click the back icon twice to return to the Bin Status Report initial screen. Enter the purchase order number and remove the selection from the storage type field. Click the Execute icon. The system displays the Bin Status Report overview screen. Notice that there are no data. There is no longer an interim storage area because the material has been put into a storage bin. Click the back icon twice to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. The warehouse management process is now complete. We will finish the procurement process by creating an invoice for the purchase order. In the Follow-on Functions menu, select Transaction MIRO Logistics Invoice Verification. The system displays the Enter Incoming Invoice screen. Enter the invoice date, amount, and PO number, and check the Booking OK box. Make certain the balance is 0, and there is a green light. Click the Save icon to post the invoice. The system displays the document number in the bottom left corner of the screen. Make note of the number, and then click the back icon to return to the SAP Easy Access menu. Finally, we will post the payment for our purchase. In the Outgoing Payment menu, select Transaction F53 Post. The system displays the Post Outgoing Payments header data screen. Enter the document date, bank account number, amount, and vendor account number. Then click the Process Open Items button to continue. The Post Outgoing Payments Process Open Items screen shows the open balance of $1,500 in the Account Items section. Before you save the payment, verify that the Not Assigned field is 0. Click the Save icon to post the payment. The system displays the document number in the bottom left corner of the screen. Note this number. Demo 7.6 Procurement Process with Warehouse Movements.